Welcome back users. In today's video, we will do the installation of Zorin OS 15.3 Lite, and in the next video, we will do a detailed review of the Zorin OS 15.3. So let us open it in boxes as a virtual machine. So check out if Zorin OS, no, the Zorin OS template is not there still. So you can use Ubuntu 20.04, that will suit. Hit the next button and then do the resource allocation. So we can customize, give it around 4 GB and 26.8 GB of HDD, virtual HDD is okay. We hit the create button. So we will install using the first option, try or install Zorin OS, because we don't need any safe graphics. There is no compatibility issue, so we can go with the first option. We will now boot into live desktop of Zorin Lite OS 15.3. So this is the Zorin Lite OS. It is really light. I can feel the snappiness of the desktop here. This is the store, software store. This is the Thunar file manager. That is the XFCE file manager. So Zorin OS Lite 15.3 is based on XFCE. So we will check what exact version of XFCE is used by Zorin OS Lite 15.3. So in this video, we will only do the installation part. So we click on the installer. The wallpaper at the back is very beautiful. I really like this wallpaper. It looks very soothing to the eyes. Okay, so we go ahead. We go with the default English language. English US is okay for us for the keyboard layout. Or you can choose, I think, just let it go back. If Indian keyboard is there, we will install that. Let us wait. Let me check. Okay, the Indian keyboard should be there. Yes, it is there. So we go with the Indian keyboard option and choose the Indian English India with rupee keyboard layout. Now let us hit continue. We will not download the updates right now, nor we will install the third-party application for graphics, Wi-Fi hardware and additional media formats, because this is just a what we say review installation. We hit the continue button. So we can do with the custom install. So this is what most of the people will use when they install the Zorin OS, because already Windows or any other OS partition will be there in most of the cases. So they will do a custom install only. So we'll hit the new partition table option. We'll go with 300 MB of okay, let us we take it as a boot and do a FAT32 file system. So now we hit the OK. So the boot partition will be created. Now again select the free space, add a swap space. Swap will not have any partition, it is just a swap area. Okay, and then select around 4000 MB, the swap space, and the rest we will do a root partition with the extended for journaling system, or we can go with the BTRFS. Let us go with the BTRFS. And the mount point should be slash, no, sorry, only root. Okay. So we are done with the partitioning. There is a 300 MB of boot partition, 4 GB, or yes, 4 GB of swap space, and 17.17 GB of root partition with the ButterFS file system. Now we choose the install button. Okay, it is not allowing me to do a FAT32, so we choose the FAT16 file system. I think that should work. Yes, no, it is not allowing. We have to change it. If we use the extended 4 file system, let us check. Yes, I think it should now allow. Yes. So this partitions will be written for partition 1 will be extended 4 file system, second partition 5 will be as a swap, and partition 6 of virtual VDA will be as ButterFS. So we continue. So it has correctly chosen my location. So I will not change anything. It just we will just continue. I put a small short name. We'll delete the extra characters. We don't require such long name. Put a short password. Select the option require my password to login. It is better for security. Hit the continue button. Quite fast copy of files is being done. Better than the most installers. It's done during the installation. So the extra file system like JFS, XFS, which we did not choose, we only choose the ButterFS. So ButterFS file system packages will remain and they get installed, and other all packages of the file system will be removed from the installation. So that is very good. This keeps the installation image small. Update is now almost complete. Yes, the update has completed. So it is asking me whether to continue testing. I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will do the review of Zorin OS 15.3 Lite. So see you in the next video. Do like our videos, do share our videos, do comment on our videos. Don't forget to press the bell button, otherwise you will miss our videos. Bye bye.